Hello, everyone.
Hello, my friends.
My name is Jackson.
My name is Lena.
We are happy you are here.
Yes, very happy.
You can relax now.
You can feel calm.
You can speak slowly.
You can speak with us.
Today, we will talk about hopes.
Yes, hopes.
Hopes are about the future.
Hopes are about what we want.
Simple hopes.
Easy hopes.
Lena, what does hope mean to you?
Hope means I want something good.
That is nice.
Hope makes me feel positive.
Yes, hope feels good. I hope to help people.
That is a good hope.
I hope people feel confident.
I hope people feel calm.
Lena, what do you hope for today?
Today, I hope to speak clearly.
That is a good hope.
I hope learners understand us.
I hope that too. Let us say it together.
I hope to speak clearly.
I hope to speak clearly.
Very good.
Hopes can be small.
Hopes can be big.
Small hopes are okay.
Big hopes are okay too.
Lena, do you have a small hope?
Yes, I do.
What is your small hope?
I hope to drink tea later.
That is a simple hope.
Yes, very simple.
I have a small hope too.
What is it?
I hope to take a walk.
That sounds nice.
Let us practice.
Yes, let us practice.
I hope to take a walk.
I hope to take a walk.
Good job.
You are doing well.
Lena, do you have a big hope?
Yes, I do.
Tell me your big hope.
I hope to help many people learn English.
That is a big and kind hope. My big hope is similar.
What is your big hope?
I hope people are not afraid to speak English.
That is very important.
Fear is common.
Yes, fear is common.
Hope can reduce fear.
Hope can give courage.
Lena, were you afraid before?
Yes, I was afraid before.
Afraid to speak English?
Yes, afraid to speak English.
What helped you?
Hope helped me.
Hope helped you how?
I hoped I could improve.
That is very good.
Hope gives energy.
Let us say a common sentence.
Okay.
I hope I can improve.
I hope I can improve.
Very nice.
You sound confident.
Hopes are personal.
Yes, personal hopes.
Everyone has hopes.
You have hopes too.
Lena, what do learners hope for?
Learners hope to speak better.
Yes.
Learners hope to understand English.
Let us speak to the learners.
Yes.
You can say this.
I hope to speak English better.
Say it again.
I hope to speak English better.
Good.
Very good.
Hopes can be daily.
Yes, daily hopes.
I hope today is calm.
I hope today is peaceful.
Lena, what do you hope for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I hope to feel fresh.
That is nice. I hope to sleep well tonight.
Sleep is important.
Let us repeat.
I hope to sleep well.
I hope to sleep well. Great.
Very clear.
Some people hope for jobs.
Yes, many people.
Some people hope for success.
Some hope for happiness.
Lena, do you hope for success?
Yes, but slow success.
Slow success is okay.
Yes, slow is fine.
I hope learners go step by step.
Step by step is best.
Let us practice a question.
Okay.
What do you hope for?
What do you hope for?
Good question.
Yes.
I will answer.
Okay.
I hope for confidence.
Nice answer.
Now you answer.
I hope for calm and peace.
Very good.
Thank you.
Hopes can change.
Yes, hopes can change.
Today one hope.
Tomorrow another hope.
Lena, did your hopes change before?
Yes, they changed.
How did they change?
I hoped to be perfect before.
And now?
Now I hope to be better, not perfect.
That is healthy.
Yes, very healthy.
Learners, you can say this.
I hope to be better.
I hope to be better. Nice.
Very nice.
Some hopes take time.
Yes, time is needed.
Do not rush.
Go slowly.
Lena, do you feel pressure?
Sometimes, yes.
What helps you?
Hope helps me relax.
Hope and patience.
Yes, hope and patience.
Let us talk about family hopes.
Okay.
Many people hope for family happiness.
Yes, family is important.
I hope my family is healthy.
I hope my family is safe.
Repeat with us.
I hope my family is healthy.
I hope my family is healthy. Good.
Very good.
Lena, what do parents hope for children?
Parents hope children are happy.
Yes.
Parents hope children learn well.
That is true.
Very true.
Hopes are connected to dreams.
Yes, small dreams.
Not big dreams only.
Small dreams too.
I hope to learn something new.
I hope to teach something useful.
Let us slow down.
Yes, slow and calm.
Say this slowly.
I hope to learn English.
I hope to learn English. Good pace.
Very clear.
Lena, do you think hope is important?
Yes, very important.
Why?
Hope gives direction.
That is a good word.
Direction means a way.
Hope shows a way forward.
Yes, forward.
Some days are hard.
Yes, very hard.
Hope helps on hard days.
Hope keeps us going.
Lena, What do you hope on a hard day?
I hope the day ends well.
That is honest. I hope tomorrow is better.
Many people say that.
Let us repeat.
I hope tomorrow is better.
I hope tomorrow is better. Good.
You are doing great.
Hopes can be shared.
Yes, shared hopes.
We can talk about hopes.
Talking helps.
Lena, how do you feel when you talk about hopes?
I feel lighter.
Lighter is good. Learners, you can talk about hopes too.
You can start small.
Ask a friend.
What do you hope for?
That is a simple question.
Very simple.
Lena, ask me again.
What do you hope for?
I hope for steady progress. Steady means slow and sure.
Yes, slow and sure.
We like slow here.
Slow is friendly.
Hopes and confidence are connected.
Yes, very connected.
When you hope, you try.
When you try, you learn.
That is a nice cycle.
Yes, a good cycle.
Lena, what hope do you have for learners?
I hope learners trust themselves.
That is beautiful. I hope learners speak without fear.
Yes, without fear.
Let us say it together.
I hope I can speak without fear.
I hope I can speak without fear. Very good.
Very strong sentence.
We will keep talking.
Yes, we will continue talking.
Hope is gentle.
Hope is quiet.
Hope does not shout.
Hope stays inside.
Lena, do you feel hope now?
Yes, I feel hope now.
I feel it too. Let us end this part with a simple hope.
Okay.
I hope you feel confident.
I hope you feel calm.
We will talk more.
Yes, we will talk more about hopes.
Let us continue.
Yes, let us continue slowly.
We are still talking about hopes.
Yes, only hopes.
Lena, hopes can be simple words,
Yes, very simple words.
like hope.
Like wish.
We use hope a lot.
Yes, every day.
I hope you are well today.
I hope you feel good today.
These are kind hopes.
Yes, kind and soft.
Lena, when do you say hope?
I say hope in the morning.
Why in the morning?
I hope the day is good.
I say hope at night.
What do you say at night?
I hope tomorrow is easier.
That is nice.
Hopes help us start.
Hopes help us end the day.
Lena, do you hope when you wake up?
Yes, I hope I feel fresh.
Fresh is a good feeling. I hope I have energy.
Energy helps us learn.
Let us repeat slowly.
I hope I have energy.
I hope I have energy. Great.
Very clear.
Hopes can be about work.
Yes, work hopes.
I hope my work goes well.
I hope my work is easy today.
Many people feel stress at work.
Yes, a lot of stress.
Hope can reduce stress.
Hope can calm the mind.
Lena, what do you hope at work?
I hope I do my best.
That is enough.
Yes, doing my best is enough.
Let us practice that.
I hope I do my best.
I hope I do my best. Good sentence. Hopes can be about learning.
Yes, learning hopes.
I hope I understand English.
I hope I remember new words.
Remembering takes time.
Yes, time and patience.
Lena, do you forget sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I forget.
That is normal.
Yes, very normal.
I hope I remember slowly.
Slowly is okay.
Learners, you can say this.
I hope I remember slowly.
I hope I remember slowly.
Very good.
Hopes can be about speaking.
Yes, speaking hopes.
I hope I speak clearly.
I hope I speak calmly.
Clear and calm.
Very important.
Lena, do you feel nervous when you speak?
Sometimes, yes.
What do you hope then?
I hope I stay calm.
That is a good hope. Let us repeat.
I hope I stay calm.
I hope I stay calm. Nice and simple. Hopes can be about health.
Yes, health hopes.
I hope I feel healthy.
I hope my body feels strong.
Health is important.
Very important.
Lena, what health hope do you have?
I hope I sleep well.
Sleep helps everything. I hope I eat well.
Eating well is good.
Let us say together.
I hope I sleep well.
I hope I sleep well. Good. Hopes can be about friends.
Yes, friends.
I hope my friends are happy.
I hope my friends are safe.
Friendship gives support.
Yes, support is nice.
Lena, do you talk about hopes with friends?
Yes, sometimes.
How does it feel?
It feels warm.
Warm is a good feeling. Hopes do not need pressure.
Yes, no pressure.
Hope is gentle.
Hope is quiet.
Lena, can hope fail?
Sometimes hopes change.
Change is okay.
Yes, change is okay.
If one hope does not happen,
We can have another hope.
that is healthy thinking.
Yes, very healthy.
Let us say a strong sentence.
Okay.
I hope again.
I hope again.
Simple but powerful. Hopes help us continue.
Yes, continue step by step.
We do not need fast results.
Slow results are fine.
Lena, what hope do you have for this lesson?
I hope learners feel relaxed.
I hope learners speak with us.
Even one word is good.
Let us say one word.
Hope.
Hope.
Say it again.
Hope.
Very nice.
Hopes can start with I hope.
Yes, I hope.
I hope I try.
I hope I learn.
Lena, give another example.
I hope I do not give up.
That is very important. Learners, repeat slowly.
I hope I do not give up.
I hope I do not give up. Very strong. Giving up is common.
Yes, many feel that.
Hope stops giving up.
Hope keeps us moving.
Lena, what keeps you moving?
Hope and small steps.
Small steps every day.
Yes, every day.
Hopes can be daily promises.
Gentle promises.
I hope I try today.
I hope I try tomorrow.
Trying is enough.
Yes, enough.
Let us stay with hope.
Yes, stay with hope.
We will continue talking.
Yes, more hopes, slowly and calmly.
Let us make this the final part.
Yes, the final part.
Yes, the final part. Calm and slow.
We are still talking about hopes.
Yes, hopes until the end.
Lena, hope can be quiet.
Yes, very quiet.
Hope can sit inside you.
Hope can stay with you.
You do not need big words.
Small words are enough.
I hope.
I hope.
That is already good.
Yes, very good.
Lena, when people feel tired, what can they say?
They can say, I hope tomorrow is easier.
That helps the heart. I hope tomorrow is easier.
I hope tomorrow is easier.
Nice and slow.
Very clear.
Hope does not need speed.
Hope likes slow steps.
Lena, what is one hope you have right now?
I hope learners feel proud.
Proud of trying.
Yes, proud of trying.
I hope learners trust their voice.
Every voice matters.
Even a small voice.
Even a quiet voice.
Learners, you can say this.
I hope my voice is okay.
I hope my voice is okay.
It is okay.
Hope and kindness go together.
Yes, kindness to yourself.
Be kind to yourself.
Very kind.
Lena, what do you say to yourself?
I say, I am learning.
That is kind. I say, I am improving slowly.
Slowly is good.
Let us repeat.
I am improving slowly.
I am improving slowly.
Very nice.
Hopes can be simple endings.
Yes, simple endings.
I hope today was helpful.
I hope today felt easy.
Lena, do you feel calm now?
Yes, I feel calm now.
I feel calm too. Hope can bring calm.
Calm helps learning.
Before we finish, one last hope.
Yes, one last hope.
I hope you keep going.
I hope you keep speaking.
Even one sentence.
Even one word.
Hope.
Hope.
Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you for listening.
Keep hope with you.
Always keep hope.
Before we finish today, we want to say one thing.
Yes, one simple thing.
If this lesson helps you, please subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to learn easy English every day.
We make videos for beginners.
Slow English.
Clear English.
Friendly English.
Please like this video.
And share it with your friends.
Practice English together.
Grow confidence together.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We are proud of you.
Keep practicing.
Never give up.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.